Hi there, this is Claire from 1 to 3 Marketing. I'm answering a question today from a colleague of mine who had a problem with their Facebook business page, and they wanted to know how to actually get to speak to someone at Facebook. Now, I can't give you a direct line to someone in Silicon Valley, but I can do the next best thing. So if you're having a problem with your Facebook page, just go to this link, facebook.com/business/resources. When you get there, scroll right down to the bottom of the page and it says additional support. Hit the Get Started button. Next, go to Business Pages. Scroll down again and you will see the Chat with a Representative icon. It also will tell you what the estimated wait time is. Now, when I've used this before, I have waited for half an hour, but also I've logged on and got lucky and waited for 3 or 4 minutes. Every time I've used this, which is only a handful, but they have solved the problem for me. I had one issue with a problem with advertising, one issue where I couldn't change my page's name, another issue where there seemed to be a duplicate page. So it's well worth giving this a go if you've tried every other avenue. So all you do is click on, enter your details, and start your chat when you're ready. So I really hope this is a useful tip. If ever you've Googled, you've gone on to every troubleshooting website you can think of and you still can't find the answer. Bye.